On your screen stands an AI, speaking to you. But here's the twist: if this were built with traditional programming, I wouldn't exist. I wouldn't understand you or adapt. I'd just rigidly follow human-written instructions. So what changed? What turned machines from rule followers into learners? Welcome to Factsralogy. Traditional programming hands a computer a strict rulebook. If X, do Y. Every scenario must be predicted in advance. The machine doesn't think or learn, it executes with precision. This powers calculators and banking software, reliable, predictable, but limited to what a programmer explicitly coded. Now imagine a different approach. Instead of writing thousands of rules, you feed the computer thousands of examples. You don't code how to spot a cat or flag spam. You show it real images and messages. The machine studies patterns, discovers relationships, and builds its own logic. This is machine learning. In traditional software, intelligence lives in human-written code. In AI, it lives in the data. The more it sees, the better it gets. That's why AI can recognize faces, translate speech, and drive cars, tasks too complex for rigid rules. But there's a trade-off. Traditional code is easy to debug. AI is a black box. Even creators can't always explain why a model made a specific choice. You trust it not because you wrote every step, but because it learned from massive datasets. Take handwritten digits. Coding rules for every way someone writes an 8 is nearly impossible. Show an AI thousands of examples, and it learns naturally through pattern recognition. That's the fundamental shift. Traditional programming tells a computer how to solve a problem. AI shows it examples and lets it figure it out. And that's exactly why I'm speaking to you today, not because someone coded my sentences, but because I learned from data.